The question given is two bodies are projected vertically upwards from one point with the same initial velocity v0. The second body is projected t0 seconds after the first. How long after will the bodies meet? So let us consider this is our ground level. First body is projected and after t0 seconds second body is projected. So we can say that first body will reach its maximum height, and when it is in its reverse journey, the second body will be moving in upward direction and they will collide at some point. So this is our first body and this is our second body. First body is in its return motion and second body is in its upward motion. If the time of the journey for the first body is t seconds, the time of the journey for the second body will be t minus t0 seconds, as it is starting t0 seconds later. But displacement of both the bodies will be same. Let us take this as h. For the first body, the displacement h can be written as ut, which is v0 into t plus half a t square. Here the acceleration is minus g, so this will be minus g t square. For the second body, again apply the same formula. Initial velocity v0, time of journey is here t minus t0. Again half g into time of journey t minus t0 whole square. We have to find out t from this equation. So here we can write v0 into t minus half gt square is equals to v0 into t minus v0 into t0 minus half g into, I am expanding this is t square plus t0 square minus 2t into t0. So here v0 into t will get cancelled out. Half gt square will get cancelled out. So here we can write v0 t0 plus half gt square t0 square. Here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So this will be minus gt into t0 is equals to 0. So from here we can write v0 t0 plus half g t0 square is equals to g t into t0. Bring this g and t0 to this side, or we can cancel a t0 here. So this will be t is equals to v0 upon g plus t0 upon 2. This will be the final answer for this question.